want you to stop that, Joe, that whole jail business.
Look at you. Look at you shaking.
I can't help it.
What have I got to hide? What the hell is the matter?
I didn't say you had anything to hide. I just told you to stop it. Now stop it.
Hi, Joe.
Take a breath of that air, kid. You don't get air like that in New York.
Annie, where did you get that dress?
I couldn't resist. I'm taking it off right before I ruin it. How's that for 3 weeks' salary?
Oh, isn't she the most? Oh, it's gorgeous. Simply
No
gorgeous.
kidding, isn't she the prettiest gal you ever saw?
You gained a little weight, didn't you, darling?
It comes and goes.
Look how nice her legs turned out.
Boy, the poplars got thick, didn't they?
Well, it's been 3 years, kid. We're getting old.
How does Mom like New York?
Why'd they take our hammock away?
No, it broke a couple of years ago.
What broke? He had one of his light lunches and flopped into it.
How do you do? She looks very intelligent.
And this is Jim, Dr. Banks.
Oh, sure. He writes a lot about you.
Oh, don't believe it. He likes everybody. Back in the battalion, they used to call him Mother McGuller.
I can believe it. You know, it's so strange seeing him come out of that car. I guess I never grew up. It's almost like Mom and Pop are in there now, and you and Larry doing algebra, and my brother trying to copy my homework. Gosh, those dear dead days beyond recall.
Well, I hope that doesn't mean you want me to move out.
Jim, could you come in here for a moment, dear?
Ah.
Mr. Hubbard's on the phone.
I told you, I don't
Please,
want...
dear. Please.
All right, Susie. All right. I've only met you, Ann, but if I may give you some advice, when you marry, never, even in your mind, count your husband's money.
Jim!
At once! At once!
I told him to take up the guitar. It'd be a common interest for them. Well, she loves the guitar.
Let's eat at the shore tonight. Raise some hell like we used to before Larry went.
Oh, you think of him. You see, she thinks of him.
What do you mean, Kate?
Oh, nothing, just that you remember him. He's in your thoughts.
Well, that's a funny thing to say. How could I help remembering him?
Did you hang up your things?
Yeah. Say, you've sure gone into the clothes. I could hardly find room in the closet.
Oh, no, dear, don't you remember? That's Larry's room.
You mean they're Larry's?
Didn't you recognize them?
Well, it never occurred to me that I mean, the shoes are all shined.
Yes, dear. Oh, for so long I've been aching for a nice conversation with you, Annie. Tell me something.
What?
I don't know. Something nice.
She means, do you get out much?
Oh, shut up.
Are any of them serious?
Why don't you both choke?
You can't go into a restaurant with this woman. She'll have 39 strangers surrounding the table telling her their whole life story.
If I can't ask Annie a personal question, then I might
Well,
as
you
well
can
just...
ask her, but don't beat her over the head. You're beating her. You're beating her.
Don't let them bulldoze you. Ask me anything you like. What do you want to know, Kate? Come on, let's gossip.
She's the only one who's got any sense. Your mother, she's not getting a divorce,
No, she's calmed down about it now. I think when he gets out, they'll probably live together. In New York, of course.
Oh, well, that's fine, because your father is still... I mean, he's a decent man after all is said and done.
I don't care. She can do whatever she likes.
And you go out much.
You mean, am I waiting for him?
Oh, well, no, I don't expect you to wait for him. I just...
But that's what you mean, isn't it?
Well, yes.
Well, I'm not, Kate.
You're not.
Isn't it ridiculous? You don't really
I
imagine...
know, dear, but don't say it's ridiculous because the papers were full of it. Well, I don't know about New York, but there was half a page about a man missing even longer than Larry, and he turned up from Burma.